Ready to transform your Wix website from good to attention-grabbing in just a minute and a half. First things first, head over to your Wix website editor and click on the plus sign on the left side to add elements. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see strip, then click on it. You'll see a variety of pre-designed strips appear. Choose a strip that best suits your banner's purpose. A classic strip works great for simple announcements, while a welcome strip can be perfect for new visitors. Let's pick this classic one for our tutorial. Now, drag and drop the strip to the very top of your website, where you want your banner to appear. Stretch it horizontally to span the entire width of the page. Click on the strip, then select Change Strip Background. You can choose a solid color, an image, or even a video to make your banner pop. I'll choose a color for this example. I'm going with a vibrant blue to grab attention. Now, let's add some text. Click the plus sign again to open the Add Elements panel. This time, select text and then choose a heading style. Drag it onto your banner strip. Type in your message: a special offer, a new product launch, or whatever you want to highlight. I'm going to add summer sale 50% off. Adjust the font, size, and color of your text to ensure it's easily readable against your background. A contrasting color usually works best. I'm going to make it white and a bit bigger. Finally, add a button that links to the relevant page on your website. Again, click the plus sign, this time choose button, and drag it onto the banner. Customize the button text to something action-oriented like shop now or learn more, then link the button to the appropriate page on your site. And that's it. Make sure to hit publish to make your awesome new banner live. Now you know how to create an eye-catching Wix banner in no time.